Hi folks, this is part 3 of our exercise we were working on where we put some cable tray in here and our fittings and we got some brackets. I threw a couple of floor boxes in here. I'm sorry, they over here. So right here I've got a panel here and I got one of my ASC Unifab floor boxes. Well, this is a distribution box and this is a floor boxes. But I'm going to walk away from this for the time being. I'm going to show you something else here. Now I'm going to just run this guy up to here. I'm going to just leave that there for now because I want to, before I get into the floors and the conduit, I want to work on the cable tray. So the purpose of this exercise was to look at the cable tray. So now here I've got one of my Eagle baskets, Eagle trays. This guy works a little differently because it's a basket and Revit doesn't handle baskets too well. So if we got a prefab situation, we can do this. So I'm going to just draw one in here. This is the, oops, sorry. I'm going to just go here and cancel this and I'm going to right click. I want to create similar and I'm going to just draw this. This would be 12 feet. I'm going to just say 12 and see. It's just taking so much time to do that, but it's in. And I'm going to take it and place it right here. In any event, this is the actual basket tray. And then as you can see, there it is in my schedule. This is the EGL 612, SL's 120. 120 is the length, it's just 10 feet in inches, 12 is the width, and 6 is the depth. So now here I've got my brackets here. I want to copy this guy here. I guess we could do 10 feet again. Well, let's go 5. Well, I can't make up my mind, so I'm going to go 10 feet again. So I can just take this guy that I already have in here and I'll align it to this. Just align that guy to that. And there's our 10 feet. So what we'll do here now, we'll run the basket, the Eagle tray along the wall. So I'll just go copy here. I'll do my constrain and multiple. As you see what's going on out here too, sorry. Let's start over, here we go. Now, you got a problem here, as you can see. This one's not at the right elevation. This would be 9 feet. There you go. Now copy this guy over here, 10 feet. I'll just say 10 here. Now 120, actually that's 12 feet. I'm sorry. 120 inches. Wait a minute. Is that? Let me measure that. Okay, I did this wrong. So this should be 10 feet. But there you go. See, you can do this any way you like, but we sell them in lengths of 10. So that's the correct length right there. So I'll move this guy here back to there. Now some customers may want the real deal. Had a few that did, and that's for prefab because this can be prefab. So I'm going to move that over here. Actually, it can be CNC as well. It can be created in the CNC machine. So there, that one is. Okay, and now this guy right here, this is our bracket. Where was that at? There, that's our EGL SWSB. So I'm going to say, I think that's long enough. But I can do this again. I can go and I can say here, and we can change the length. Let's go with 16 inch, just to be on the safe side there. So we'll take the wire basket along this whole wall right here. And then I'll just copy this guy here. And I could just say 10 now. And now I've got a cover in there. I want to take that out right now. Don't want to show that. Delete that out. So now if I go here into my section view, just to get everything, let me see what's going on here. That is also, see, that's the wrong length. I'm sorry, I got these in the wrong length. So let me delete this guy. So this is a 12, that's a 10. 10, okay. Don't know my inches and feet. Doing metric so much, I get them confused. But anyway, we just take this guy here and copy it over. Now let's go in here and do a section before we complete the rest of our brackets here on the wall. So I'm going to cut a section through here, or I will just take this section and I'm going to rotate him around. Just to go in here and take a peek at what's going on in here. Okay. Double click that. You're looking pretty good now. This guy's got to go up because these have to lip under the tray. So I'll push this up a little bit here. See, I should have did this first to get the one. I'll just delete the others out. So that's how that should look. That bracket is supposed to slip right about there, and it's now this probably should go over as well, but that's getting really down into the nitty-gritty. So let me go push this over a tad. So there's that, and I could push this up a little bit more. So there you go. That's how that basket is going to fit on that bracket along that wall. So now what I got to do, I've got to get rid of all these other ones because they're not right. So that goes, I think you get the idea, folks. So this guy is good. So what I'll do here in my, go back into my plan view, and I'll just take this one here, and I'll copy it. You're just going along this wall. Right along here. So normally we wouldn't do the basket. I wouldn't, but sometimes people want this. So we made this one just for that purpose. So if the customer just, I had a guy who wanted the real deal. So we're going to do this one. We have the family for this. We're still working on other fittings like T's and crosses and things like that. They're in development. I can just go 10. Then I go 10 again. And then I'll do another 10. And 10. So there's our Eagle basket right there. So what I'm going to do now is, actually let's take this all the way across here, because I want one of these trays to drop off. I guess we use we've got other tray systems. We'll use another system after this. So I'm going to copy this 10 feet, another 10 feet. Oops. And just copy these. So now as you can see, I'm populating my my schedule with these trays. And this is part 3 of our building, showing how to use some of these families that we created here for products that we make in Atcore. And I'll go 10 again. So hey folks, I think I might leave it there. So there you go. We've got our, wow, we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 8, that's all? Thought it was more than that. Yeah, that's about right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 8. And these are our heavy brackets. Now let's go and grab this cover here. Now we've got our cover here. So what I'm going to do with that, this is a cover now. This cover is made just for our Eagle tray. This is our EGL CVR. So I'm going to take this guy and move it here. Now we've got to get this together here is the elevation. That's at 9 feet. This is at, what elevation is this? So the best way to handle that is to go back into this section view. See, modeling can be a little tricky, but there's guys out here that do it. They can do it. I mean, I did it for years. Okay, there it is. It's at the right elevation. Okay. So actually, I can just move this over and see how we're fitting in here. Now, I think that's supposed to fit a little more tighter in. We got some kind of normal issues going on here, I think, because this should fit right under this wire. Let me have a look at this guy quickly. Default width is, oh well, it's good for now, folks. I'm going to leave it there for right now. So we've got our cover over our basket right here. I'm going to go back into that power plan view. And let's just take some of these covers in. Actually, the covers are at 10-foot lengths too. So I'm going to just grab this guy here and just move it over to there. So hey everybody, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, I'm just adding, let's add a couple more and see where there goes the Eagle cover right there. So let's add a couple more here. I'm gonna, yep. Uh-oh, something went wrong. I made it, okay. Tab here. See, now modeling like this, like I told you, these are families we created. These are the system families that's all automatic. Now we're going to do a simulation of a system wire basket tray, but if a customer wants the actual wire basket, you definitely can give it to them. Well, straights anyway. So guys, I think I'm going to add one more of these. Just put this one down here. Okay, what's going on there? I'm having trouble with this cover. Let me go on my 3D view and see what's happening here. Okay. Oh, I know what's going on. Now, this is the deal about the cover. She don't, oh, I see what it is. We wouldn't, I guess we would. My thought process is, Okay. Okay, well, Robert's stuck. There it is. Try this one more time, and then if it doesn't work, I got some figuring out to do here. 10 feet. There we go. So there's our cover. We've got our bracket and our basket, Eagle basket, Eagle basket. So these are Eagle products now. We got little connectors and other type hangers. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Uh-oh. I think. Take care, folks. Bye.